Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Every single AI coding agent I test on this channel has the exact same catch. The tool itself is free, but the LLM behind it is not. You install tools like OpenCode and immediately hits a massive paywall because you need an API key that costs $20 to $50 a month. But what if I told you there is a completely legal open source workaround? Today I am going to show you a project called OmniRoute. It's a free open source local AI gateway. We will combine with this open code to test. So watch the video till the end. Before everything, let me tell you what is OmniRoute. OmniRoute is a brilliant open source gateway that connects your tool to 290 plus providers. Over 90 of those providers have a completely free tier. No credit card, no trial period, nothing. When you pull all those free tiers together, you got roughly 1.53 billion free tokens per month. How does it work? OmniRoute sits between your coding agent and the AI provider. It creates a single OpenAI compatible endpoints where one free account hits its rate limit, it instantly falls to the next account without breaking your code generation. So, before we install it, there is one killer feature you need to know about: token comparison. OmniRoute uses two internal engines called RTK and Caveman. When your agent dumps a massive Git diff or an entire test log into the context, OmniRoute strips out the noise. This RTK and Caveman comparisons saves 15% to 95% of your token. This means your free quota lasts significantly longer. And the best part, it is entirely local. Your keys, your prompts, and your analytics stay encrypted on your hard drive. So now let's actually install it. For that, what you have to do is simply go to this omniroute.online. I will provide the link in the description. And here what you have to do is simply click on start free. When you click, you will redirect it to here, and just you have to copy this link here and then open your terminal and paste this code. When you paste it, start installing, and here you can see I have just added G, which means it's installing globally. Now come back, and here we have the second is to just write OmniRoute. So copy this one and go back to your terminal and just wait to be installed successfully. In the meantime, guys, make sure to like, share, and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to all so you never miss any update. So finally it installed, and we have to just paste this one here and click enter. And here you can see OmniRoute started, and it just moved to localhost, that is 20128/login. Now here we have to enter the password. Now where the password, and the password is here. You can see the default password is change me. So just copy this one and paste it here. Now click on continue, and here you can see I am inside the OmniRoute. Now what you can do here is you can change the language from here. Okay, light and dark mode is also available. That's good. And then here we have some options like in a quick start, you got a API key, connect providers, point your clients, monitor your optimize. Here you can see there are some endpoints you can use. Okay, so we have to just go to home here and then just go to your providers, and here in the providers just select here free tier. In the free tier you got 101. Okay, now here in the free tier you can see 360 AI, 1 A121 labs. Then here we have anti-gravity CLI. You can test it, arena free, Archi AI, and so many. So just we have to go here and search for the providers. I'm going with OpenCode. So just search OpenCode, and here you got OpenCode free. So just click here, and here you can see we have OpenCode free here. Now how can I do that? So what you have to do is simply just click on add account, and you got account. Now what you have to do is simply just move to home here, and now just here you can see you have to just go to API keys. Now here you have to create a single API and name it like you can say OpenCode. Okay, so I will name it as a OpenCode and then hit enter, create API key. Now just copy this API key because we need this API key later. Now let's move to our terminal here and open a new terminal, and here just type OpenCode. If you don't know how to install it, that's so easy. Just move to your browser and search for OpenCode and just copy this code here and paste it, and it will be download. Okay, just like we did with OmniRoute. Okay, now here you can see there I am using Kimi K2.7. Just you have to click on slash, then go with connect providers. Then here we have to type others because there is not mention about OmniRoute. So we have to type other, click enter. Now we have to provide the ID here. So just type OmniRoute. Now we have to type the API key. So just paste this one and hit enter. Now here you can see it already save the credentials. Okay. Now then go to your OmniRoute again, and here you have to select a model here. So just go to here and click on free only, and here you can choose any model. I will go with DeepSeek. So you have to just copy this here. Okay, and now go to your notes, and here I will provide this in your description. Okay, just you have to do is you have to change the base URL according to your, then you have to here add the model just like I did. So you have to just paste the ID, just you have copied here, and you can write name whatever you want. I will just type DeepSeek version 4 flash. Okay, now what you have to do is simply just select all and copy it, then go to your open code and cancel this by pressing Ctrl C. Now you have to open your OpenCode.json file. Okay, so how to do that? For Mac you have to just type this code, but for Windows I will provide the text in the description. You can go and check it out. Okay, so just type it and it will look like this. Now what you have to do is simply paste here all the details, then type Control O to just save it, and then enter, then Control X, and it all done. Now simply type open code again, and here you can see it already selected DeepSeek version 4 flash. But if not, then what you have to do is simply just slash click on just type slash, then go to models, and here you can just type OmniRoute. And when you type OmniRoute, here you can see DeepSeek version 4 flash is connected. Now what you have to do is let's check is that really working or not. So type hello, and here you can see it really responding that hello, how can I help you. So yeah, it's working properly. Let's say I just type which model are you to confirm, and here you can see it provided the exact same thing, and that's a good thing. So you can see how it easy to implement. Okay, and there is no video which can show you how you can integrate with the terminal open code. So I hope you understand this part, and I hope you like it. So if you have any doubt or anything, just let me know in the comment section, and I will try my best to provide you the solution. So let's see you in the next video, guys, and if you have anything, just let me know. Okay, so see you in the next video, guys. Happy coding.